This is the Fiat Chrysler manufacturing unit at Pomigliano d'Arco's factory in Italy. The production of the Fiat Chrysler begins with the body shop. At this stage, multiple robots are welding the body at various spots. Then the robots attach the doors to the car body. After that, the car body is painted by a robot. This way reduces time and paint's consumption. Now the car body is cleaned, polished, and inspected by an expert worker. This plastic operating unit is operated by a fully automatic machine. At this stage, the car dashboard frame is built and inspected by a machine and an expert. This is the bumper molding, where the car bumper is built by machine. Next, the tanks are inspected by machine. After that, every single part of the car body is inspected with accuracy. Now the car body enters the assembly line. The dashboard is installed using a lifting device. Then, the car moves to the next station through a heavy rotating machine. Now, the wire harness process is performed. The chassis is attached to the car body, and a worker installs the radiator. After that, the bumper is installed with the headlight. Then the wheels are set into their place perfectly. Finally, Fiat Chrysler is ready to rock.